Right, today we're going to show you how to fit laminate flooring in a hallway, nice and easy. So as you can see, this is the hallway we're going to do today. This is the flooring we've got. What we've got to do is ensure the floor is nice and clean, debris free. So we've got a couple of little bits to do in a second. What we've also done is cut the skirting board. So the laminate flooring will fit underneath, and then just a simple bead silicone all the way around. It gives it a nice finish. So this is where we're going, all the way down here today. We will chuck you. We're going to chuck you. We're going to throw it on the time lapse. We'll show you some interval breaks, how to cut it, how to mark it, how to fit it. Job done. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Right, so what we're going to do is cut the bottom of the skirting board so the flooring will fit underneath, give it a nicer finish. And all you do is, so we've got our underlay here, flooring on top, use a multi-tool, run across, cut the skirting off, and then this will slide in nicely. Right, so we've used the multi-tool to go around the underside of the skirting boards and architraves, so that ensures that the flooring goes underneath, gives it a lot nicer finish. Make sure you've got plenty of wood blades, because here, for example, it's block walls behind, so every time you go through a little bit, you catch the blades a little bit. After a while they go blunt, so we've used about 3-4 blades, so make sure we've got a few blades. And then what we've done then is, as you can see, we've brushed up. We've hoovered all the way underneath the underside of the skirting boards to make sure it's debris free, nice and clean. So now what we're going to do is chuck the underlay down and then start fitting the flooring. So what we've done is spaced off here, so the furthest point, and then this comes to here. So we're going to follow that line all the way down, because we know it's square off this side through, because this wall's on the angle slightly. So we've marked every 250mm all the way through, and that leaves us a nice full board on this end as well. And we've transferred those points over to this side again, 255, so on and so forth, left with about 100mm rip on the end there, so it's not too bad. So that's going to be, you should ensure you choose one side to take your measurements from and transfer them either side, just to make sure. So before you start running ahead and start fitting it, just make sure you triple check everything's all good. You're going to be left with a half decent sized board on the openings and on the sides, etc. And sometimes you'll be left with a crappy little rip down which looks naff. Right, so what we want to do, and you see this side, that's underneath. That goes on top, make sure it's flush. And then to cut round here, all you got to do is put this down like this. Right, lift up this like so, push it into the corners, okay, cut through. Go. Just to make it easy for now, I'm just going to run this right through. There we go. Right. As you can see, that runs into there like so. Just overhang that for now. Push that through. cut that off. Like that. To get around this section here, so all I have to do, you pull it up so it's over hanging up here, you strike a line down so it folds over, as you can see, in half, and you cut around to suit, and that's locks in nicely. I'll show you now. Right. There you go. So, fold it back. I'm going to cut there. Right, cut that up. Cut this excess off. Like that. See that folds in there. Open this door. There you go. And that folds in back nicely. And then all we need to do then is just push this in where the carpet is for a minute. And cut down. Slots under there nicely. Get that excess there, just cut off. That is all you need to do. So as you can see now, because we cut underneath, the insulation's gone under there nicely. Then our flooring will just slot inside underneath it. Job done.